Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using the powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today. So the first one is from the brand Cuccio Pro, and this is in the shade Denim Blue. And I'm also going to use the Revel nail in the shade Rose Quartz. So to start off, I apply a nail primer to all of my nails. I'm using the model ones. I got this one from Amazon. So once it's all dry, I apply my Revel Nail Pro Base. So I apply a thin layer of this to my nails and then immediately dip it into the powder and tap off the excess. So with this powder, I will be applying it on my pointy, pinky and thumb. So I'll let you guys watch me do 3 layers of this powder and I'll be back. So next, I will be using the Revel nail in the shade Rose Quartz to my middle and ring finger. And as you notice, I don't really dip my finger to the powder. Instead, I just lay my nails on top of the powder. I found that it's better to do it that way, so you will get a lot of glitters on your nails. So I'll let you guys watch me do 2 layers of this powder and I will be back. So after the second layer, I brush off all the excess powder and move on to my clear to encapsulate the colors and the glitters. So I apply a thin layer of the base on my nails and then immediately dip it into the clear powder and tap off the excess. So what it does is it will protect your colors and the glitters from filing and buffing. So then I brush off all the excess powder and then move on to the activator. So I'm using Revel nail activator and apply a generous amount of this to all of my nails. And then after a few minutes, I buff and file off camera. So then I brush off all the dust and clean my nails with rubbing alcohol. And then move on to my top coat. So I will be using my Miss Nail Snow White top coat. So I apply a thin layer of the top coat to all of my nails, cure it for 30 seconds and apply the second coat, and then again cure it for another 30 seconds. So once it's all cured, then I'm applying the cuticle oil to rehydrate my nails. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.